Hello everyone, you're going to learn about OpenShift Virtualization in this video series. In this section particularly, you're going to learn what it is and use case of OpenShift Virtualization. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is OpenShift Virtualization? OpenShift Virtualization, formerly known as Container Native Virtualization, lets developers bring virtual machines into containerized workflow by running a virtual machine within a container where they can develop, manage, and deploy virtual machines side by side with containers and serverless all in one platform. Here are some use cases of OpenShift Virtualization. Lift and shift. Application migration can be hard, and legacy application in virtualization cannot be moved easily. Moving to the OpenShift with virtualization will make it easier. We can align with the flexible multi-cluster strategy. For multi-regional, multi-cluster solution, virtualization on OpenShift will help with this effort. And there's a trend toward bare metal and hybrid adoption, and adopting OpenShift virtualization will make it easier. And during the process that require GPU and other things can be running on OpenShift virtualization while still interacting with the containers through the networking and then storage there's a share across. Here are some specific use cases we can use. We can provide a workstation for each developer, and we can use things like Ansible or the DevOps pipeline to automate the creation of VM for each user. And then each user can use Fedora, Rail, or Windows to actually use a workstation that is hosted on OpenShift Virtualization. Second use case is we can use it as an application server. We deploy application and then we can access through the route and then access application. And we can run heavily demanding GPU processing application that can be not run easily on the container. Here's a high-level architecture diagram kind of depicting how the process flow will look like. So we have different images that can be found on the internet, ISO images, and the privileged admin can take it and certify it, customize it, and then basically customize it, push it to image registry query. And then these images can be importing as a data volume CDI process called a containerized data importer process to create a PVC, persistent volume claim. So now these PVCs can be reused over and over again as an ISO image by different developers and then for the teams. And only thing developer need to worry about what they need to do if they want to use a workstation is they basically use a VM definition file or the nice looking wizard to create a VM and use it as workstation or their application server. Later, this process can be automated through DevOps pipeline and Ansible and other things like Harness or Argo or the Jenkins, but we can worry about that later. And there's different way to automate it, the creation of VM and management of VM. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video about OpenShift Virtualization series. By watching this video, hopefully you have a better understanding how OpenShift Virtualization works. Be sure to check out other videos to understand better about OpenShift Virtualization, and see you next time. Bye bye.